This is Mozo. She's a very beautiful indie dog. By indie dog, we mean the Indian stray dogs who the dog lovers adopt from the street and give them a lovely home and beautiful family. So she's being adopted by a lovely dog lover family, and she's pampered, she's given the comfort and the love and affection that we get within a family. Look at her. She's so sweet, and her face is just so beautiful and so cute. Here I am cuddling her, and she loves to get cuddled. So just imagine if she was not adopted from the street, she was now on some road living a very harsh life. So we always request every dog lover to adopt a dog from the street so that they get a lovely home. So, I'm sure this video will motivate and inspire a lot of dog parents all over the world to adopt a dog, a homeless dog, and give that dog a family, a home, caring, love, and affection. Look at her, how friendly she is, how sweet, and how adorable. She loves to lick all over my face. Oh my god, that lovely smile. This is just so beautiful. And her eyes, oh my god, so expressive.